Oh, well, hi there. My name's Sky, and I'd like to be your new favorite art teacher.
I've taught beginning level painting classes to thousands of students both in person and virtually over the past decade. I've been painting for even longer. I specialize in the complete beginner, and in this course, I will be breaking down color theory in my signature, clear, calm, step-by-step style. In this course, you will mix dozens of different colors, all starting with just your primaries and black and white. You'll learn how to use the color wheel and create one of your own. Create a chart with tints, tones, and shades, and you'll also complete a full painting tutorial step by step. This course is perfect for the beginning painter of any age, and a great way to spend a creative weekend.
So what are you waiting for? Let's get creative.